echoes of the past. I love to play make-believe, to dream up worlds that aren't quite real. My imagination is my favorite toy. Today, I pretended I was in a time machine. I set the controls for a time long, long ago, a time of jungles and strange creatures. The machine hummed and whirred, spinning faster and faster until the world outside was just a blur of color. When the spinning stopped, I opened the door and stepped out into a thick, green jungle. The air was warm and smelled of damp earth and flowers I had never seen before. I listened closely to the sounds of the jungle. I could hear the calls of strange animals and the rustling of leaves in the trees. A strange, bird-like creature with a huge beak flew over my head. I had never seen anything like it before. I knew then that I had truly gone back in time. I took a few steps into the tall grass, but I didn't want to go too far from my time machine. Suddenly, I heard a noise to my right. A man dressed in animal skins and carrying a large club was standing in a clearing. He looked very different from anyone I had ever seen. I hid behind a tree so he wouldn't see me. He grunted to someone I couldn't see in a language I didn't understand. Then the ground began to shake. I heard giant thumps, like the footsteps of a giant. The caveman started to run, and I saw why. A huge dinosaur, taller than the trees, was coming our way.